your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I'm Roshell, and on my channel, you will receive some amazing baking tips, recipes, tutorials, some great techniques, some vlogs, a little bit of my lifestyle, and my family too. If you are new to my channel, you will not be disappointed. You will learn some of my tips, tricks of my desserts, candy apples, cakes, and much more. So if you're new, I welcome you to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell that will always let you know when I have an upcoming video, and make sure you like my videos. Leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know how you enjoy them, or if you even have a question. So as I always say, it's your girl Ro, about to go, but I welcome you to my video.